Quick guide to wardrobe assembly. First, secure the 67 screws to the wooden board. Then assemble the boards and secure them in place. Next, install the backplate. Secure it in place after installation. Next, install the hinges on the door panels. Please note that the hinge on the middle door panel is bent. Install a door handle. Next, install the cabinet doors. This screw is used to adjust the distance between the door and the cabinet. Once adjusted, pull it outward to the appropriate distance, then tighten it. The first screw controls the gap size. Install the other two doors in the same way, and you're done.